everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. Today's item is I am a masterpiece. I am a masterpiece. You are a masterpiece. I am. Let's keep adding to our I ams and let us be motivated, inspired, and take actions towards what we are looking for. Today's video is the collab with the group Beauty Over 40. This is our December collab and we're going to create a New Year's eye look. An eye look that you would use to go out and celebrate the new year. And even if you're not going out and you want to stay home and celebrate and want to get dressed up, this is a look that you can create. The ladies that are taking part in the Beauty Over 40 collab, the information is in my description box. Please go check out and see what New Year's eye look that they create. I am. Remember to add to your I am. Our I am for today is I am a masterpiece. You are a masterpiece. See yourself as a masterpiece. You are not a duplication. You are an original. I'm going to do something that don't know how it's going to turn out, but keep watching with me and let us see what I have come up with. Yeah. Beauty Over 40 collab for December 2023 is a New Year's Eve eye makeup look. I am using this Wet n Wild blue pencil and I'm going to put it on my eyes. I have hooded eyes and my eyes are hooded different ways. One is always puffier than the other, no matter how much sleep or no sleep that I get. So we're going to do this. I already have a base on, but I'm going to put this over the base. Follow along, take your palettes out, and let us create. Now I'm looking straight in the mirror to see where my hooded eyes cover the shade. If you notice, this one with my eyes open you can't see much, but this one I went a little ahead. This one is puffier today and this one is not as much. You see the fold is bigger here and less here. The puffier it is, the less fold I have. So now I'm keeping my eyes relaxed and I'm going over the fold. Okay, that's how you're going to make your uneven, puffy, hooded eyes even. And I have lots of moving flesh, moving parts on my eyes, so I stretch it to get a better lining after I have lined it properly. So still use your makeup, still have fun with your makeup. Make it work for you. Hooded eyes should not prevent you from not wearing your makeup. Now, see? If I go like this, this one has more than this one. This is the unevenness. I will fix it and I'll show you what it looks like. Even makeup. Even though both eyes are not the same, they're uneven, but when you apply the makeup, you just have to tweak it little by little to get it even. This is what it looks like when I stretch my eyes This is what it looks like when I open my eyes. There are lots of other videos on my channels with tips and encouragement and inspiring words. Keep watching them, keep sharing them. Let us stay positive in everything we do. Life does take turns, and sometimes the turns are not good, they're not happy, they're not pleasing. We don't know why it happens, but at the same time, while all of this madness, chaos is going on, let us keep a positive mind to help us navigate those difficult times, okay? And don't give up on yourself. I don't want you to give up on yourself, please. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Somebody's praying for you somewhere. Don't give up. Let's continue. I'm using the Wahala 2 palette. All the ladies do something different, so please check them out. We need your support to help us along our YouTube journey. Please, please, please support us. A soft glitter. So I'm gonna take it and put it right here. Once you use glitter, you know what that is. It's a very soft, fine glitter. It's not rough. It's not rough at all. This is a New Year's Eve eyeshadow look by the group Beauty Over 40. You see how my eye folds on the shimmer glitter? So I'm gonna go above it right here. This color right there, gorgeous. So I will put this right here. I'm just sticking it right here. Isn't that pretty? New Year's Eve. Get yourself together, get yourself whatever you need to celebrate. Celebrate, we're celebrating. I'm just fixing that line. And I'm going to take the shimmer that has the gold in it, and I'm going to take it and put it right here. See the difference? Very pretty. Right in the middle. You see the little bit of specks of gold in there? Gorgeous. I'm taking the black from the lip bar and I'm going into the outer corner. I'm staying under the brow bone. This side doesn't have, this side have. See the difference? I am a masterpiece. Our I am today is I am a masterpiece. All the ladies that are taking part in today's Beauty Over 40 New Year's Eve eye makeup look, their information is in my description box. Please go visit them and see what look that they have created. This is what my look is like. We're going to celebrate, have some fun, meet with family members, say a prayer as the year is ending for everything good that have happened in our lives this New Year's Eve. We pray and release it. And we are embracing a new year coming in with love, peace, joy, happiness, good health, and money to pay our bills and to be able to splurge a little. I am a masterpiece. You are a masterpiece. Remember that. You are not a duplication. Duplications don't work. Only you can do what you do because you are an original. No one will be able to do it like you do. Be unique. Keep holding on to your I ams. They work. They work. A friend of mine told me a year ago, she wrote, we were talking and she texted me, she said, sometimes you don't know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Sometimes you don't know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Think about that. I also learned a while back, someone told me, you will never see what you're looking at into this picture or this frame until you're out of that frame. So sometimes we need to step back and take a good look at what's going on around us, who we surround ourselves with, who we call, who we talk to, who we text, who we watch, who we listen to. Sometimes we need to get out of the frame to actually see what's going on around us. So evaluate your life. What have happened in 2023 from where you were to where you are. Reevaluate that. Pull out all the good things from that. Take that with you into 2024 and build on that. Yes, there are lots of bad things that have happened in 2023, but do we want to take it into a new year? No. We pray on it, we release it, we surrender it, and it stays in 2023. 2024, we're taking all the good things that happened that we want to keep continually, that is going to continue to happen. We'll take it into 2024 and build on that. Remember, you are a masterpiece. You can make it work for you. Memories that you had, people who have come into your life who are no longer there. That doesn't mean they're dead. They're just no longer in your life. And that happens because sometimes people come into our lives for a season and then they're no longer. Be thankful for the good that they brought in and leave it alone. Some windows and doors are meant to stay closed after a period of time. Let them stay closed. Don't go opening it. It is not your business to go open it. It has been closed. Don't open it. Leave it alone. Let God, let the universe do whatever it wants to do with that. If everything comes full circle and that person is back, then accept it for what it is. But if not, move on. It is time to move on. Sometimes some things are taken out of our lives for a reason. Give praise, be thankful. If you don't know the reason, pray and ask for signs of what the reason was. But most of the time, you already know what the reason is. When somebody is out of your life, or walks out, or no longer is in your life, you already know the reason. You just don't want to face reality. But you have to face reality. People come into our lives for a season. When that season is done, they're gone. The people who are in our lives that stay forever, they were meant to be there forever. Enjoy that. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I am telling you, don't ever, 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 ever give up on yourself. Even though everybody else around you seem like they have already given up, hold on. Don't give up. Stay strong. Keep rising. You will make it through. Again, this is my look for Beauty Over 40 New Year's Eve look. I am going out to party. Maybe I'll do a toast with some apple cider. But other than that, give thanks, be thankful. We're still here. Let us keep rising and never, ever, ever give up, because what? You are a masterpiece. I am a masterpiece. Bye.